I became involved with the National Gallery of Canada in the restoration project of the Canada Pavilion in the Giardini at the Venice Biennale as a result of a conversation at the very beginning of the term of Karen Colby Stoddart, who is the CEO of the National Gallery of Canada Foundation. And it seemed to be a marriage made in heaven, because my own background includes a strong interest in architectural history and preservation. I'm a founding secretary of the Society for the Study of Architecture in Canada. I was a co-founder of Green Spaces in Montreal, which saved the Sulpician Gardens. I'm also a member of the 6-person team that saved Windsor Station. I know that the pavilion will be functional, hopefully for the next 50 years. And that's important. It's something that artists and exhibition managers and curators are not going to have to worry about. One of the distinguishing features of the restoration project is that in many ways it repeats the history of international cooperation between Italians and Canadians in the building of the pavilion itself. The fact that the restoration project, which involves this and has involved a 10-year back and forth between Canada and Italy, and has resulted in, I would say, a solution that is livable for both parties, is very heartening in an era of increased populist nationalism and patriotism in other countries. So the kind of interactions and working together for a common good that supersedes national boundaries and simplistic notions of nationalism, I think, is probably one of the important legacies of the restoration project in terms of foreign relations, diplomatic relations, and visions of international cooperation, hopefully beyond the cultural field. I would argue that there is a tremendous room for scope for the private philanthropists to work with existing institutions to help them move in directions that they may wish to go, but may not quite understand how, or more importantly, have the funds to do so. Tenacity is really important, both home and abroad, in the Canada cultural field. We are a peripheral player, geographically, and in terms of the art market, and in terms of the world stage. That doesn't mean we can't be an important player by actually putting forth alternative models of how to function in this complex cultural world of the 21st century.